everyone, this is Barkha here from Healing Hearts and Souls. Please do subscribe to the channel so that when I am posting any videos and audios for you, you do not miss out on them. Today we are going to be chanting the mantra Lalitam Sadashivam Lalitam Chandrasekaram. This mantra is a very powerful mantra. It will help you to ease out tight financial situations and any health emergencies. Start chanting this mantra when you are facing any obstacles or tight situations with money, finances, your wealth. This mantra will help you to ease the situation, remove all the obstacles, also save you from taking any loans or borrowing money from others. Whatever is the financial hiccups will be removed, obstacles will be removed from your path. This will also help you to increase your abundance and prosperity, and that you will not be in a situation where you have to face any lack of money. This mantra helps us to reprogram our subconscious mind and hence helps us to create a new pattern, a new program for our life. Our life is decided by our past karmas, our thoughts, our emotions, feelings, reactions to incidences, and also we take decisions based on our previous memories. Only when we remove and erase these patterns and these memories can we inculcate a new pattern and create a new tomorrow for us. When we are chanting this mantra, it helps us to change our subconscious mind, helps us to see and bring a new and different perception to our life. We work differently towards our life and our goals, and also this affects everyone around us. When you are starting to chant, you can sit with a glass of water. Once you are done, thank the universe and the divine energy for its blessings to you in your life. And you can also do this chanting on behalf of another person in proxy. So if you have anyone who is also going through financial turmoil, you can always chant this mantra in proxy for them as well. In any case where you are facing health issues or any emergencies, or in case you have heard of someone being admitted in the hospital, or they are going into an ICU, or they are suddenly in coma or in a vegetative state, you can always start chanting this mantra for them on their behalf. Also, this is good for your own health. So let's begin. Today's mantra will be chanted 108 times. You can sit in a quiet, comfortable place and start to chant the mantra along with me out loud or in your mind. Today's chanting is done 108 times. So let's begin. Lalitam Sadashivam Lalitam Chandrasekaram 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 ललितं सदाशिवं ललितं चन्द्रशेखरं 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 ललितं सदाशिवं ललितं चन्द्रशेखरम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।